Hello guys, this is Mr. Tim. I hope you have watched the video of the introduction. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it first. Then you will come back and watch this one. This one is the first part, which is the first principle. And I'm going to show you everything that you need to know using the first principle. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you join the family by subscribing. And if there is something that you would like to know, you can ask on the comment section. If this lesson will be helpful to you, you can just comment there and tell us which videos must we post next. So this is the formula for the first principle. This will be the first question in the exam when it comes to calculus. So under first principle, you are going to do it on a linear equation. We are going to do it on a quadratic equation, on a hyperbolic equation, and on a cubic equation, which means I'm going to have 4 examples right now, which will cover everything that is needed. Every time in the exam, they are going to give you one of these 4. Let's take your given f of x. We're going to start with linear. Is 2x plus 5. And we need to do the first principle here. So what you're going to do, since you see you have f of x plus h, we are going to find f of x plus h. Wherever you see x, you put x plus h. Then you simplify. This will be 2x plus 2h plus 5. Then you go to the formula. Make sure you write that formula down. Then after, you substitute your f of x and your f of x plus h, which will be, don't forget to write limit as h approaches 0, f of x plus h, 2x plus 2h plus 5, minus f of x, which is 2x plus 5, everything over h. Limit as h approaches 0, 2x plus 2h plus 5. This will be minus 2x plus 5, everything over h. Limit as h approaches to 0. I want you to hear me clearly. Everything that does not have an h will cancel out when we are in linear. So there is 2x here, we'll cancel with this one. There is 5, we'll cancel this one. If there is something without an h and it doesn't cancel, it means you made a mistake. So you are left with 2h over h, then h and h will cancel out. Therefore, our answer is 2. This is how you solve it when it is linear all the time. Let's say we're given quadratic. They can say x squared minus 3x. They can put anything. As long as there is x squared, it means it's a quadratic. You find f of x plus h. Wherever you see x, you put x plus h. X plus h. Then you simplify this one. You can write it twice and multiply, or you can use the special case of product. If you don't know how to do that, then you will use the link in the description below, where we are dealing with products, grade 10. Then you will see how we do these things. So this one is going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. When you expand this one is going to be negative 3x plus negative 3h. Then you come and write the formula. After writing the formula, you substitute. F of x plus h is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h minus x squared minus 3x. Everything over h. Don't forget to write limit as h approaches to 0. Limit as h approaches 0. We have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h, this and this, minus x squared plus 3x. Everything over h. Then limit as h approaches 0. This one, you use the same rule that we use under linear. Every term that does not have an h will cancel out. So x squared will cancel with this one. This 3x and this 3x, they cancel out. Then you'll be left with 2x h plus h squared minus 3h over h. Limit as h approaches to 0. But the difference is here. On this one, you need to factorize h from the numerator. When you take out h, you'll be left with 2x plus h minus 3 all over h. If you don't understand how to take out a common factor, you will use the link in the description below that explain taking out highest common factor factorize. Then this and this will cancel. Then limit as h approaches to 0. We are left with 2x plus h minus 3. This one is gone because we have cancelled the h there. We say therefore 2x, wherever we see h, we put 0. Then our final answer, it is 2x minus 3. So when you're getting your answers under first principle, you can derive using the rule to see if your answer is correct. So on this one, we are going to deal with hyperbolic. Where you'll be given a fraction where x is the denominator. You'll find f of x plus h, which will be 2x plus h. Then you write the formula. After the formula is substitute. Everything over h. Don't forget limit as h approaches 0. So this one is very simple. The fraction, how do you deal with it? For you to find the denominator, you multiply the LCD. Sorry, you multiply the denominators. So x is going to multiply with x plus h. Then you cross multiply here. X times 2 is 2x. This and this is minus 2 x plus h. But there was over h. So to make it simple, just say divide by h. Then you come and say limit as h approaches to 0. Then 2x, this and this is going to be negative. To x minus 2h over x squared plus xh divided by h. Then these 2 and negative 2 will cancel out. Limit as h approaches 0. We have negative 2h over x squared plus xh. You change this into multiply by, because this one is over 1, then it will become 1 over h. Then this h and this h will cancel out. Therefore, you are left with minus 2 x squared. Wherever you see h, you are going to put 0. Then the answer is negative 2 over x squared. So this is how you deal with the hyperbolic. So this one, we are given the cubic. We find f of x plus h, which will be x plus h to the power 3. Then this one is the same as x plus h, x plus h squared. Then we simplify. This one is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Then you multiply here. You say x times x, it is x cubed plus 2x squared h plus h squared x. Then this one, or to make it simple, just say x h squared, so that you can see the like terms very well. Then h times this one is x squared h. This times this, 2x h squared, and we have h cubed. Then you add the like terms. This is x cubed. Then 2x squared h plus x squared h is 3 x squared h plus this and this is going to be 2 x h squared plus h cubed. Then now you can go to the formula, you write the formula. After that, you substitute. Don't forget, limit as h approaches to 0. Then it means h cubed, x cubed plus 3x squared h. Then we put h very well, plus 2x h squared plus h cubed minus x cubed. Everything over h. The rule: every term that does not have an h will cancel out. Then we have limit as h approaches to 0. We are left with 3x squared h plus 2x h squared plus h cubed. Everything over h. Then you take out the common factor. If you do not take out the common factor, the link is in the description so that you can watch how to take out a common factor. So we're going to take out h here, but remember the limit as h approaches to 0. 3x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, everything over h. This and this will cancel out. Therefore, you have 3x squared plus 2x. Wherever you see h, you put 0. This is 0 squared. Then you will be left with 3x squared. So this is how you do this one of a cubic. So if this video was helpful, you can like and comment on which topic can I post, or if you have questions, ask questions. I'll make sure that I reply to all your questions. Share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so that every time when I upload the video, you will get it first. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next video.